CIET NCERT presents audiobook MATHMAGIC 1 Textbook in Mathematics for Class 1 Chapter 4 Part 1 Page 61 Subtraction, also titled Take Away.
This page is divided into 4 parts. Each part has 3 pictures.
Part 1, Picture 1, shows a girl standing with 5 flowers. Number 5 is written in a box below the picture. Picture 2 shows another girl taking away 2 flowers from her. Number 2 is written in a box below this picture. How many flowers are left with the first girl? Picture of first girl is shown holding 3 flowers. Answer: number 3 is written in a box below the picture. Part 1 Text: 5 take away 2, left 3.
Part 2 Picture 1 shows 4 leaves in a box. Number 4 is written in a box below the picture. Take away 2 leaves. 2 leaves are shown outside the box. Number 2 is written in a box below the picture. How many leaves are left? Picture of 2 leaves is given. Writing space below this picture is empty. Part 2 Text: 4 take away 2, left dash.
Part 3 Picture 1 shows 3 butterflies and 1 flower in a box. Writing space below the picture is empty. Write the total number of objects in the empty box given below the picture. Picture 2 shows all 3 butterflies flying away. 3 butterflies are shown outside the box and flower is inside the box. Writing space below the picture is empty. Write the number of objects taken away. Picture 3 shows 1 flower. How many objects are left? Writing space below this picture is empty. Part 3 Text: dash, take away dash, left dash.
Part 4 Picture 1 shows 2 children, 1 boy and a girl. The boy is holding 3 pencils. Writing space below the picture is empty. Picture 2 shows the boy giving 1 pencil to the girl. Writing space below the picture is empty. Picture 3 shows boy holding 2 pencils. Writing space below this picture is empty. Part 4 Text: dash, take away dash, left dash.
Page 62 Subtraction.
This page is divided into 4 parts. Each part has 3 pictures.
Part 1 Picture 1 shows 6 clay jugs. Number 6 is written in a box below the picture. Picture 2 shows 4 jugs are broken out of 6. Number 4 is written in a box below the picture. Minus sign is used between the 2 numbers. Picture 3 shows 2 unbroken jugs. Answer 2 is written after the is equal to sign in the box given below the picture. Part 1 Text: 6 minus 4 is equal to 2.
Part 2, Picture 1 shows 5 frogs sitting near water. Frog is a small animal that speaks like. Number 5 is written in a box below this picture. Picture 2 shows 2 frogs have gone inside the water. Number 2 is written in a box below after the minus sign. Picture 3 shows 3 frogs sitting near water. Part 2, text. 5 minus 2 is equal to dash.
Part 3, Picture 1 shows a tree branch with 9 leaves. 9 is written in the box below. Picture 2 shows 4 leaves have fallen. Number 4 is written below the box. Picture 3 shows 5 leaves on the branch. The writing space below the picture is empty. Part 3, text. 9 minus 4 is equal to dash.
Part 4, Picture 1 shows 5 mangoes are kept in a basket. Number 5 is written in a box below the picture. In Picture 2, a girl is eating 1 mango. Number 1 is written in a box below. Picture 3 shows 4 mangoes in a basket. The writing space below the picture is empty. How many are left in the basket? Count and write in the box given. Part 4, text. 5 minus 1 is equal to dash.
Page 63. Subtraction.
This page is divided into 4 parts. Each part has 3 pictures.
Part 1, Picture 1 shows 3 glasses. Writing space below the box is empty. In Picture 2, all 3 glasses are broken. Writing space below the box is empty. Space for Picture 3 is empty, and the writing space below is also empty. Part 1, text. Dash minus dash is equal to dash.
Part 2, Picture 1 shows 7 pears. Pear is a fruit. Write number of pears in the empty writing space below the picture. Picture 2 shows 4 pears are taken away. Write the number of pears taken away in the empty writing space below the picture. Picture 3 shows 3 leftover pears. Write the number of pears left in the empty writing space below the picture. Part 2, text. Dash minus dash is equal to dash.
Part 3, Picture 1 shows 6 apples. Write the number of apples in the empty writing space below the picture. Picture 2 shows 4 apples are taken away. Write the number of apples taken away in the empty writing space below the picture. In Picture 3, 2 leftover apples are shown. Write the number of apples left in the empty writing space below the picture. Part 3, text. Dash minus dash is equal to dash.
Part 4, Picture 1 shows 7 flowers on a branch. Write number of flowers in the empty writing space below the picture. Picture 2 shows all 7 flowers are taken away. Write the number of flowers taken away in the empty writing space below the picture. Picture 3 space is empty. Write the number of flowers left in the empty writing space below the picture. Part 4 Text. Dash minus dash is equal to dash.
Page 64. Subtraction.
This page is divided into 4 parts. Each part has a picture and writing spaces in the shape of boxes on the right-hand side. In the previous page, the 2 numbers for subtraction were shown in 2 separate pictures. For the results also, a separate picture was given. In the present page 64, both the numbers are given in the same picture and there is no separate picture for result.
Part 1 picture shows 3 cows. 2 cows going in one direction and 1 cow is moving in the opposite direction. All the 3 cows are shown inside a circle. The writing space in the shape of boxes are on the right-hand side, outside the circle. The answer to question 1 solved as example. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2.
Part 2 picture shows 4 books kept one below another. 3 books kept on 2 hands indicate 3 books are taken away by someone. All this shown inside a circle. Now, write the first number in the first box and write the second number in second box. Question 2. Subtract and write the answer in the box given.
Part 3 picture shows 4 tomatoes and empty hands. Empty hands indicate no tomatoes are taken away. All this is shown inside a circle. Now, write the first number in the first box and write the second number in the second box. Question 3. Subtract and write the answer in the box given.
Part 4 picture shows 3 thread reels. 2 thread reels kept on 2 hands indicate 2 thread reels are taken away by someone. All this is shown inside a circle. Now write the first number in the first box and write the second number in second box. Question 4. Subtract and write the answer in the box given.
You were just listening to this chapter. CIET NCERT presents audiobook MATHMAGIC 1 Textbook in Mathematics for Class 1 Chapter 4 Part 2 Page 65 Subtraction.
This page is divided into 5 parts and hence 5 questions. Each question has 2 columns. Column 1 shows few circles in sleeping line. The numbers that have to be taken away are shown by crossing the circles out of the total circles. After the line of circles, total number of circles and number of circles crossed are written with a minus sign in between the numbers. The writing space for answer is on the right side after the sign of equal to.
Column 2 shows the same question written in standing line manner. The smaller number is written below the bigger number. Minus sign is written on the left-hand side of the smaller number, and a sleeping line is drawn below the smaller number. Answer to subtraction question is to be written below this sleeping line.
Question 1, column 1. There are 5 balls out of which 4 balls are crossed. The question is, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. The first question is solved as an example. Column 2 shows 4 written below 5 and minus sign on the left of 4. Sleeping line below 4 and 1 written in the writing space below.
Question 2, column 1. There are 6 balls out of which 2 balls are crossed. The question is, 6 minus 2 is equal to dash. Column 2 shows 2 written below 6 and minus sign on the left-hand side of 2. Sleeping line below 2 and writing space for answer is empty.
Question 3, column 1. There are 9 balls out of which 5 balls are crossed. The question is, what is 9 minus 5? Column 2 shows 5 written below 9 and minus sign on left of 5. Sleeping line below 5 and writing space for answer is empty.
Question 4, column 1. There are 4 balls. All the 4 balls are crossed. The question is, what is 4 minus 4? Column 2 shows 4 written below sign on the left-hand side of lower 4. Sleeping line below the lower 4.
Question 5, column 1. There are 8 balls, out of which 3 balls are crossed. The question is, what is 8 minus 3? Column 2 shows 3 written below 8 and minus sign on left of 3. Sleeping line is below 3 and writing space for answer is empty.
Page 66. Subtract and match.
On this page, questions are written in 2 columns. Between these 2 columns, the answers are given in circles. Learner is required to match the answers with the question by drawing a line.
First question, column 1. Is what is 4 minus 2? The answer to this question is 2. The answer is matched by drawing a line joining the question and number 2 is written in the circle. This is solved as an example.
Now, the questions are read one by one, followed by numbers written in circles. Listen carefully and match the questions with their answers. The answers which are given in the circles are 3, 4, 2, 5, 6, 8, 0.
Question 2. What is 7 minus 2? Question 3. What is 9 minus 1? Question 4. What is 5 minus 1? Question 5. What is 6 minus 3? Question 6. What is 7 minus 1? Question 7. What is 5 minus 0? Question 8. What is 9 minus 5? Question 9. What is 8 minus 2? Question 10. What is 7 minus 4? Question 11. What is 8 minus 0? Question 12. What is 5 minus 3? Question 13. What is 8 minus 3? Question 14. What is 7 minus 7? Page 67. Subtract.
This page is divided into two parts. Each part has some question. Part 1 questions are given in sleeping line format. Question 1. What is 4 minus 2? The answer 2 is written in the writing space after the sign of equal to. This question is solved as an example.
Question 2. What is 5 minus 2? Question 3. What is 7 minus 7? Question 4. What is 8 minus 4? Question 5. What is 3 minus 1? Question 6. What is 4 minus 0? Question 7. What is 6 minus 5?
Part 2 questions are written in standing line format. The numbers are written one below another. Minus sign is put on the left of the lower number. Writing space for answer is below the sleeping line after lower number. Question 1. Number 2 is written above. 0 is written below. Minus sign is on the left side of 0. Answer 2 is written in the writing space. Question 2. Number 9 is written above. Minus 7 is written below. Find and write the answer. Question 3. Number 3 is written above. Minus 0 is written below. Find and write the answer. Question 4. Number 8 is written above. Minus 8 is written below. Find and write the answer. Question 5. Number 6 is written above. Minus 4 is written below. Find and write the answer. Question 6. Number 4 is written above. Minus 2 is written below. Find and write the answer.
Page 68. Write the missing numbers.
The questions given on this page have one number missing, for which a blank box is given. Find the missing number and write it in the box.
Question 1. Number 8 minus dash is equal to 7. Question 2. Number 5 minus dash is equal to 1. Question 3. Number 3 minus dash is equal to 3. Question 4. Number 9 minus 2 is equal to dash. Question 5. Dash minus 2 is equal to 3. Question 6. Dash minus 3 is equal to 5. Question 7. Dash minus 2 is equal to 0. Question 8. Dash minus 2 is equal to 7.